Hello everyone, it's Jugni. Today we are going to learn about some basic shapes. Let's get started. First I am drawing a circle. Now draw a cut line all the way around the cross to make a circle. Circle is round and has no corners. Let's try it. Let's draw a triangle. Triangle has three straight sides and three corners. Let's draw a square. The square has four equal sides and four corners. Let's draw a rectangle. Rectangle have two short sides and two long sides. A rectangle has four sides with opposite sides being equal and four corners. Let's draw a diamond. Diamond has four sides of equal length. A diamond is like a square turned on its side. Finally, let's draw an oval. An oval is like a stretched out circle longer in one direction. Orange circle. Green triangle. Blue square. Red purple diamond. Pink and oval. Thanks for watching. See you next time.